Hello friends, if you are searching how to install Git on Ubuntu, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can easily install Git on Ubuntu. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First, update the Ubuntu repositories of all dependencies before you can install Git by using this command as shown on your screen. Then, upgrade the system for any pending upgrades. Step 2. Install Git from official repository. Next, use this command to install the latest stable version of Git from the official Ubuntu repositories. Press the Y key on the keyboard when prompted for confirmation. Step 3. Verify the installation. Once Git is installed on your Linux machine, use this command to verify the installation with its version number. If you get the version number as the output, your installation is successful. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily install Git on Ubuntu. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. How to redeem codes in Pokemon Go.